you kidding me? Are you serious? You don't know how to conjugate the verb to have? Jesus Christ! Okay, let's get started. So my name is Mr. Mark and I'm going to teach you how to do it. And you will learn the verb to have by heart. Okay? So, the verb to have is an infinitive. And we have to conjugate. It means to provide all this verb to have in all the forms in the present, okay? So we have the person I, we, you, they. So I, if we are together with our teachers, is we, yes? You is you, and they is they, are people, okay? And we have the verb have without to. We don't need to here, okay? So here we understood, and now we have the verb, the word he, she, it is the third person singular, okay? Third person singular. So in this case, we change have for has. And we'll have he, it's he, Jack or John, doesn't matter, yeah, it's he. She, Mary, Jane, it's she. And it can be a child, a dog, a book, anything that is not alive or just animals, alright? So it has. Okay, so now let's make up a sentence. I have a house. We have an apartment. You have a book. And they have a car. Okay? So let's write it down. I have, let's say, a house. We have to write an article. You know what the article is? A house. Okay, we have, for example, a car. And they have a garden. But you have nothing. Okay, let's write. You have nothing. And let's sing a song. I have a house. We have a car. They have a garden. And you have nothing. You have nothing. Okay, so let's move on to he. He. Come up with the variant for the word he, for the sentence he has. What can he has? Let it be a pen. She has, let's say, a book. Yeah, a book. And it has food. Let's say that it's a dog and it has food. So food, you know, to eat, food. And let's sing a song. He has a pen. She has a book. It has food. But you have nothing. You have nothing. Okay, guys, did you understand? If you understood, let's move on to the negative forms, to the verb to have. Okay guys, so let's move on to the negatives of the verb to have in the present. So here we have the same persons. Yes, I, we, you, they. Now we have to put in the negative form. And we have now don't before have. Okay, don't. So what is don't? So don't is the contraction form or the combination of the words do plus not. So do plus not gives don't. So do not is more formal, but don't is more informal. It's more okay to say don't in conversation. In conversation. Okay, so I don't have a house. We don't have a car. You don't have a garden. But you don't have nothing. We can say this. You don't have anything. Because it can be two negatives in one sentence. That's why we change nothing for anything. So you don't have anything. So the song will be I don't have a house. We don't have a car. They don't have a garden. And you don't have anything. Or you have nothing. You have nothing. Alright? So, negative forms, it's clear with I, we, you, they. So let's move on to he, she, it. He, she, here we have doesn't after them. Not don't, like in this case, but doesn't. And plus the verb to have, the verb have. Not just has, because doesn't took this as to itself, yes, and now we have only have, just have. Okay, so what this doesn't? Doesn't is the combination of the words does plus not, and it's doesn't. So let's say he doesn't have a pen. She doesn't have a book. So he doesn't have food. Alright? So let's do it quicker. He doesn't have a pen. She doesn't have a book. He doesn't have food. And he don't have anything. Okay? Alright, so let's move on to some questions. Okay guys, so questions. How to make up questions in the present with the verb to have. Okay, here we have the auxiliary verb do, and we put this do for the first place in the questions. So, do I have a house? And the question mark. The same is with we. Do we have a car? Do you have anything? Not nothing, but anything, because it's the same rule as in negatives. It's not nothing, not anything in questions. And do they have a garden? Alright, just the auxiliary verb do. Very easy guys, very easy. Okay, but what do we have to do with he, she, it? So with the he, she, it, we have does. So does he have a pen? Does she have a book? Question mark. Does it have food? Does this dog have food? It is so hungry, so hungry. Okay guys, I hope you understood this lesson, and your homework for the next time is to write in all the forms, in positive, in negative, and in questions, such a sentence. He has glasses. Or you'd better say, Mr. Mark has glasses. your task is to put it in the negative form and in questions. And another sentence is they have money. So you have to make up a negative form and the question with this from this sentence, all right? So guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell button not to miss the classes. Okay, bye.